Let's get to Bob Pisani here this morning on this Friday and see what's moving. Hey, Bob.
Good morning, Carl. Happy Friday, everybody. This is not a particularly good open. I know the S&P is up, but it's up because of a couple of big tech names here. So just look at the sectors, and you can see what I call the two economies here. Tech's up because Apple's up today. Consumer discretionary is up because Amazon is up. A lot of the other stuff in those sectors are not up. But there's the other half of the U.S. economy, the industrials, the energies, and banks. They're not doing anything at all today. Now, we're halfway through earnings. The good news is earnings have been better than expected. In fact, notably better than expected. So we do this a lot. Normally about 80%, 70% of the companies beat estimates. This time 80. But what's really important is the extent to which they're beating. Yesterday, they were beating by about 13%, the average company. That's amazing because normally the average beat is about 3% if you put up that next full screen. And it's going to be even higher today when you factor in what Apple and Amazon actually had to do. So these are very big beats, and the analysts have been clueless. They haven't had a lot of guidance help, and they're being very conservative, and they've been underestimating how the earnings are coming out here. The big story is tech just keeps winning, not just Apple, but everybody in general. So the S&P 500's down 38%. Tech's only down 2% for their earnings for the year here. And online buying is exploding. The PayPal CEO, Dan Schulman, I mentioned this yesterday, was just ecstatic on the conference call. He said, we've tipped into a digital-first economy. So there's two economies out there. That's the story. It's not a split between Main Street and Wall Street. There's a digital economy. That's the big tech names. And then there's the hands-on economy. Everybody else, services and travel and leisure, industrials and real estate. And you want to see everybody else? Look at Chevron today. You're going to hear this a lot from these companies. Financial results may continue to be depressed into the third quarter of 2020. That's the other economy. That's the one that's a little bit worrisome. No guidance from a lot of this other economy companies this week. You notice this? Caterpillar and Colgate, Chevron and Exxon. Look at all these companies that aren't providing any guidance. This is the other half of the economy. And when I say the other half of the economy, you can see it in the sector analysis. Wall Street knows there's two economies that are out there. Take a look at this. Technology up 6%, and everything else is basically down since the highs on June 8th. That's two economies.